No, Aaron, I am not reaching my hand down in there and seeing if it smells like poop. Before?
This is the control smell.
Okay.
All right.
All right. I gotta back up. What's up, you guys? Good to see you here on the Mr.DiGG channel. Me and A-A-Ron are down here at our future demo project that we're gonna try to knock out in one day. We've got 2 houses and a shed that we've got to tear down. So if we can bust tail here this coming Saturday, we're gonna start super early. We're actually gonna move the excavator down here tomorrow. If we can start super early, got 2 roll-off trucks, hopefully 4 cans coming. I think we can knock this thing out. What you think, Aaron?
Shoot, man, we got it.
Would you on the excavator? Especially after what you showed us down there in dang Texas, making me look bad. You ought to be able to knock this thing out in a jiff. That's the shed. Okay. This little one right here that we got to tear down and get all the crap up. I didn't check this out last time we were down here. Ain't nothing of any value.
Like a little safe vault thing.
Yep. Hopefully nobody living in this thing.
We'll find out tomorrow.
Yeah, we sure will. Ain't much to it. And if we have any paint left, we're gonna mark where we want to stage our dumpsters. Oh yeah, you do the dipping, the paint dipping thing.
Maybe. Well, hang on. Maybe kind of maybe have to do it at an angle.
The videos I've seen on TikTok yet. Hey, look at there, you're natural.
Maybe it's not the right kind of thing.
Probably not. Got a bunch of aluminum cans in here.
We should recycle those.
We should, but we're not, because we got to get this thing done. In and out of here.
They use whole trees in here.
What was that over there?
The ceiling.
I heard something move.
Oh, I did that.
Yeah, I know it, but then when you did it, something moved over there at the corner.
Chicken.
Probably.
Go check it out. I'll hold the camera.
Nope. I don't feel all that safe under this structure.
This thing's fine.
With these custom 2x I don't know what would you call these?
Timbers.
Some 2x whatever. I don't even know what I don't even know what I'm trying to say.
Like 4 inches around.
4-inch trusses.
Yeah, they're solid though.
Yeah. Oh yeah, they're real solid. Yeah, I feel super safe standing under this thing. There's a piece of an old piano or something, or organ.
It doesn't work.
No way.
Let's go upstairs. Let's go.
You go right ahead. Let me know what you find up there. I'm scared to go in any of these, man. Y'all know me, I'm darn petrified of snakes. Anybody living up there?
There's a TV up here.
Is there?
Yeah. The old projection TV with the single light bulb in the back.
Oh, okay. Old rat's nest. Yeah, there'll probably be a snake or 2 come out of here when you go start tearing it down.
Gotta bring the judge.
The judge will take care of them. What in the world are these things? Some kind of mushrooms or something? No? Maybe a bunch of old fruit? Yeah, that's what it looks like. Alright, well this shouldn't be too terribly bad. So a friend of mine has bought this property and hired us to come in to do the demo. Now I don't often do demo, but it's only 2 miles from the landfill and we should be able to make pretty quick work out of it and help him out. So we're gonna give it a go.
Hey, catch.
If you'd have hit me in the shin with that thing.
It wouldn't hurt you.
Yeah, it shouldn't be too bad, ought it?
No.
Alright, they should be able to see that, but then again, I've seen stranger things happen. Alright, so this will be one of the first homes that we probably start with. Aaron's going to stage a dumpster here, one on that side. Got them marked, then maybe we'll move back there to the shed. Right now we're going to take a look on the other side of this mobile home. There's another small house we got to get to. No, Aaron, I am not reaching my hand down in there and seeing if it smells like poop.
How else are you going to know if it's poop?
I'm going to let you put that stick down in there.
You could be sticking your arm in there.
And then you sniff the stick, and by your reaction, I don't know if it's poop or not.
The time I got this stick broke off, you could have already stuck your arm in there.
Man, I'll throw up just watching the stick come out of that hole. You almost found out with your truck if it's poop or not. Yeah, that's a professional poop stick.
Let's go ahead. We'll take a pre-smell.
Before?
This is the control smell.
Okay.
All right.
All right. I got it locked in.
All right.
I'm dialed into it.
Oh, it's bubbling.
Oh man. Okay, now you sniff it.
Right,
I'm gonna back up.
I don't know what this is.
He said the other house has got 2 septic tanks, believe it or not. One behind it and one on the convenience store side.
Yeah, he's not trying to save either one of them, is he?
No. I feel that going under my feet. That's the tank.
I think that's the tank.
That's the tank.
I don't think it's concrete either.
What you reckon it is?
I don't know, it's too smooth. It might be one of them plastic ones.
Plastic?
Kind of smooth,
Could be, judging by the lid, it could be a homemade
could be that
septic tank. All right, we might want to spray paint that.
Oh, they might put the box down on it.
That's true. You got any brown colored spray paint?
I only have orange.
Then we'll sprinkle some corn on top of that. Designated as the poo tank. Yeah, that'll work. Our truck drivers love to run over stuff, so sure as the world we put a bucket over there. That's where they're gonna hit for.
Oh yeah.
Yep. That way they can scratch their bumper before they fall into the tank. All right, I like it. You wanna go check out the next house?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. You wanna start here?
I think we start
here.
I think we start
this one.
Yeah, I say we start here.
Yeah, I agree, because this is gonna be the largest of all of them.
Yeah.
Get it knocked out, and then come over here to the shed. Now he did say on the green one, before I forget, the house we're going to look at next, he's got a freezer in there. He's going to get out either this evening or first thing in the morning. So
even more reason to start here.
Yeah, even more.
All right.
And then we'll come grab the shed. The structure itself ain't going to be what fills up the boxes. It's going to be all the crap inside of it.
Yeah.
A ton of junk. I might should have looked at that closer. I just looked back here. Ah, a little shed. Yeah, that's nothing.
Yeah.
That's a slap full of mess.
Huh.
No worries.
Maybe you ought to bring the skid steer with the grapple on it or something.
Good. Or the mini.
Yeah, just to kind of compile things.
Yeah. I could tear it down.
Yeah.
For the most part with the mini.
Yeah.
Okay, I can get it moved down here tomorrow. It can help out. Yeah, it's gonna be a fun demo. I've not demoed a brick home before. It's gonna be heavy.
Yeah, but it should just be brick around the outside. It'll be framed regular, I guess.
Yeah, I would think so.
So it shouldn't be.
And maybe you can take the thumb and just
Pop the brick off.
Pop it off and throw it in sections. Save you a little bit of time.
No, we'll just mix it all together.
You can do that too. A little addition right here.
Yeah.
Let's go inside and make sure nobody's living in there. Anybody home?
Knock, knock.
Okay. Book collection.
Doesn't seem to be in that bad a shape.
No, it really isn't, but it's in the way of his future building, so it's got to go. Yeah, a little bit of elbow grease and some cleaning up, and this could be a sellable or rentable home. But
man, you got a fireplace in here?
Sure does. Is it real?
It looks like they had a gas unit.
Yeah, there's some gas logs in there. Oh yeah. Let her go.
Here we go. Let's get her through the floor.
The start of the demo. It rocked the floor pretty dang good.
It's pretty heavy. Maybe it does have a real chimney.
It might have a real one, yeah.
Smoke right there. I thought it was just a gas deal.
Well, they probably had gas in here recently, but it might have been a for real chimney.
Pretty cool.
Back in the day. Let's see what else we got. There's a nice painting for your home. Well, if anybody is here, that brick falling should have woke them up.
Yeah, I hope so.
If not, the Cabelco SK210 will wake them up.
When it comes through the roof.
Yeah.
Like a dinosaur.
Somebody's been in here because that window for sure wasn't open.
Well,
That's not, and the back door's gone.
Yeah, you leave something alone long enough, somebody's gonna see if there's anything good out.
Yep. Plenty of books. What we got back here? A little bedroom, or yeah, a little bedroom. And a bathroom back there. Do not enter.
I say we enter.
I say we enter. We're entering. Ooh. I would crap my pants if some crackhead come running out. Rotten bag of food. Oh, there's
your buddy there.
Yeah, there's his dad. Let's go talk at him.
Who's in my house?
Yeah, I've seen inside of this one. Yeah. He said there was a concrete. Yes. Oh, there it is.
What is this?
This it might be the lid. He said this is where the septic tank was.
It is?
No. Well, maybe it's just in this vicinity.
We'll have to back in and put containers over here. I mean, like all the way in here.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, the power lines will make it a little bit more interesting. So we got 2 septic tanks over here. That's what Jay said.
I don't know.
Yeah, he said there was one over here by this concrete marker. And there's the convenience store, so probably right in here somewhere. I sure enough don't want to find them the hard way. The smelly way, I should say. Let's take a quick peek in here real fast if we can get in. Nope, door's locked. Our buddy's gonna go ask and see if the former property owner knows exactly where the septic is. This will be the smaller. And now that I'm looking at it, yeah, it's probably a little smaller, not a whole lot. Okay, water meter, which all the water and power has been disconnected. Yeah, this one shouldn't be too bad. Those power lines are gonna get in the way a little bit.
Yeah, I guess the truck will fit under it. We might stage cans over here.
Yeah, you may have to.
Instead of back there.
I think that'd be the smart thing to do, especially if we don't find out exactly where those septic tanks are.
Yeah.
And
All this is beat down, so
yeah,
it'll be safe here.
Yeah, should be good. Bunch of tire tracks, so people been driving in here. Okie dokie. And what we're going to do too, folks, to keep from having to track the 210 out on the actual road because there's not enough space on the side of the pavement, we just got permission to remove a little bit of the fence. So when we get done with that house over there, bust the fence out, come over here, start on this house, back the trucks under the power line. That's what we're going to have to be real careful of here in the next day or two. And then get on the road.